Today I'm making burrito bites for the freezer, so I'll have them for breakfast anytime I get ready. Let's get started. We're going to spray our pan with just a little olive oil spray. I'm going to take one of our low-carb tortilla shells and we're going to roll it up. And then we're just going to place it in our muffin tin and we're going to cut the shell the same height as our muffin tin. Then we're just going to shape that up, open them up a little bit. We'll turn this one that way. It's the end piece. But doing it that way, you're able to get them the same height as your muffin tin, most likely. And now you can take your egg and we're going to take and just pour our egg directly down in a couple. We'll do one more like that. And now I'm going to take my eggs and we're going to whisk these together. And pour this in there scrambled. Now you can put any kind of meat if you've got like diced ham or even turkey if you want to go with turkey. We're going to use these bacon bits. And you could even use fried bacon if you had some fresh extra bacon fried already. But since I don't, I'm just going to put a little bacon bits in each one of mine. You could even cook up some sausage and use. And now we're going to add a little purple onions and cherry tomatoes. Use whatever kind of breakfast food you like and what you have that might need to be used up. You could even add a little bit of spinach in these. And when the gardens start coming in and you had some extra zucchinis, you could chop them up and add to it. Have this cubed up cheese and we're just going to cover each one with a good amount of cheese. And now I'm going to take some salt and black pepper and put in each one. And now we're going to bake these on 350 for around 25 minutes, maybe 30. We'll check them. Okay, y'all, we just got them out of the oven. So there's what our burrito bites look like. Easy to put in the freezer for on the go. Okay, we've let them cool down just a little bit. Now I'm going to take one and we're going to put it on our plate. And I'm going to show y'all what they look like on the inside. We'll just cut one in half. So there you go. If you're looking for an easy breakfast idea that you can freeze or even just make and meal prep for breakfast ahead of time, y'all need to give these burrito bites a try. Here's one with the whole egg inside. And that's what our scrambled egg looks like. Easy and simple. Okay, y'all, I hope you like our video on these burrito bites. They're great for breakfast or anytime. They're easy to put in the freezer. You can meal prep these a week ahead of time and have them for the week. You can use what you've got so it don't go to waste. Thanks for watching. And if you like our video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe.